So if you want to bounce a piece of a track within your project, you can create an extra bus to route your signal to. Let's say I have a million plugins on this audio track and I want to save some CPU by printing the effects on a new audio track. I'd create a new audio track, go to Studio, Audio Connections, Outputs, Add Bus, and disconnect the outputs. Choose the new bus as the output for the original track, and use it as an input on the new audio track. Then hit record and it's bouncing. Another example is when you want to make your own ghost reverb. So this is the result. And to do this, you take that first word, reverse it, add a long reverb as an insert, bounce it in place, reverse it again, and then move it right in front of the first word. So I hope this helped. If it did, please like the video and have fun making music.